Hi, I'm Sophie Higgins and I'm the founder of SophieHHiggins.com. Are you struggling to get your team to perform at their best? Do you want to improve your own leadership skills and make a positive impact on your team and organization? If so, you are not alone. Many leaders face challenges when it comes to driving team performance and achieving their goals. That is where Protreptic Leadership comes in. Based on a method used at ancient Greek leadership academies, Protreptic leadership is a 2,000-year-old approach that has been adopted and adapted for modern leadership challenges. It provides practical tools for having intentional communication and helps leaders grow awareness, resolve conflict, and remove roadblocks to improve team performance. Our training program is specifically designed to help top teams improve their leadership skills and drive better results. By learning to use the Protreptic approach, you will be able to close the value gap and increase team alignment, build trust and improve communication within your team, resolve conflict and remove roadblocks to success, and improve team performance and achieve your goals. But don't just take our words for it. Here is what some of our satisfied customers have to say about Protreptic leadership. This Protreptic leadership works very well in a corporate environment. It helps build high-performing teamwork and thriving teams. We are confident that our training program will help you become more effective as a leader and drive better team performance. That's why we are offering it at a special price right now. Don't miss out and don't miss the opportunity to improve your leadership skills and drive better team performance. Click the button below to sign up for more information about Protreptic leadership now and take the first steps toward becoming a more effective leader. Aloha.